Custom Furniture Restoration is a family-owned business for over 60 years. We proudly offer professional antique furniture repair and antique furniture restoration services in New Jersey. We are a full-service furniture repair and furniture restoration company. Assuring the stability and preserving the appearance will maintain the integrity of your furniture and preserve the family history of ownership. Repairs involve the rebuilding of furniture and cabinet joinery for chairs, tables, pedestals and cabinets. These procedures provide strength, stability and reinforcement of structural components. Our standards of furniture restoration craftsmanship, as it should be done, will assist and guide you in meeting the needs of your valuable furniture. We can offer you recommendations as to what constitutes honest and acceptable furniture repairs and restoration. We invite you to call and visit our workshop where we can share our expertise to document damage and advise as to the proper repair, restoration and reupholstery services. We also offer flexible service hours, ensuring no disruption of any office or conference room for corporations with our on-site restoration of executive office furniture, which includes desks, credenzas, conference tables, and chairs.